Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix games not opening on iPhone. If games are not opening on your iPhone, it can be due to software settings or app-specific issues. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First method is to restart your iPhone. A quick restart often resolves temporary issues. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the slide appears, then slide to power off. Next method, update the game. Ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Just open the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, scroll down to see available updates, and tap Update next to the game, or just choose Update All. Next method, update iOS. Running an outdated version of iOS can lead to compatibility issues with apps. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates for your device. Another method, check device storage. Low storage can prevent games and other apps from running properly. Just go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, to check available storage. If storage is low, consider deleting unused apps, photos, or files that free up space. Next method, force close the game. If the game seems to be stuck, force close it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. Find the game and swipe it to off the screen to close it. Then try to open it. Last method, reinstall the app. If the game continues to crash or fail to open, try installing and reinstalling it. Press and hold the game icon until it starts to jiggle. Then tap the remove icon. Go to App Store and just reinstall the game. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.